Yeah, make sure you off your antivirus for it to work proper. Just disable it. Okay, it's now disabled. So go to this particular file, mtk. Can you see it? This very one. So click on it. After installation, make sure you install this file. It's called pit. So install it on your PC, and after installation, then you can do this I'm doing now. So go to, I teach people how to do all those things. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you'll be seeing all my videos and learn all those things by yourself without visiting anybody. What I do here is that if I see something that is working, I'll practice it and show you how I do it. Use Chrome to download it, install it, and is just to go to format. Video like this, you'll be the first person to watch